one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Leads in Mutangadura murder investigations. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the Love by Crime and Courts reporter. Fresh details suggest that the late RUWA businessman, Joseph Mutangadura, may have been killed in a murder plot linked to his wife's alleged lover. According to reports by a local online news portal, Mutangadura and his wife, Patience Dambudzo, had endured a rocky marriage marked by allegations of infidelity and deep-seated distrust. The scandal spilled into Harare's social circles last year, when Mutangadura reportedly launched a failed manhunt for his wife's suspected lover. At one point, he even moved out of their home in protest, only to later return under strained circumstances. Though the couple had reconciled by the time of his death, tensions reportedly lingered. On the night of Sunday, the 17th of August, Mutangadura, 67, was shot dead at his Lishing Estate farmhouse in RUWA by 7 masked men. Strikingly, nothing of value was taken from the property, sparking speculation that the attack was a targeted hit rather than a robbery. According to police, the gang overpowered a security guard, tied him up, and demanded a description of Mutangadura before heading straight to the couple's bedroom. Despite Mutangadura's reported offer to lead them to cash at his abattoir, the intruders shot him multiple times in the chest and stomach. Curiously, the attackers left behind valuables, taking only a cell phone worth about $10. Patience was rendered unconscious during the attack and is currently hospitalized under police protection. Investigators have since seized her cell phone for forensic examination, fueling rumors that she may have communicated with the attackers. The online portal claims leaked messages circulating on social media suggest possible insider involvement. Though police have not confirmed these claims, relatives of the slain businessman insist the precision of the killing points to a planned assassination. What is disturbing is that the gang was not after money, but the life of Joseph, one family member said. Mutangadura, a prominent entrepreneur who owned butcheries, Lishing Estate, and the popular Mutangadura hideout, was buried in Goromanzi last Saturday. His violent death has left unanswered questions about who wanted him dead, and why, as detectives from the CID homicide unit intensify their manhunt for the 7 suspects.